Hello everyone, welcome to NityaCloudtech. Hope all of you are doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss about case ban or switch condition in Pyspark. So if you are, from SQL background, so you must be aware of the case ban condition. So let me discuss the scenario. So let's say I have a data frame called employee where we have multiple columns, and there's one column called salary. So I'm using that salary column to use case ban. So basically what I'm trying to do, I will put the grade based on the condition. So let's say if the employee having less than 1,000 salary, then the grade would be low. And if the salary greater than 1,000, then it would be high. Okay. So let's start. So let me first import the data. So my data is here on this location. So I have employee CSV here. Let me copy this path. Okay. I'm creating one variable path equals to I'm assigning this path, and now I'm basically assigning this file data into the this data df variable df spark.read.csv. So using that I'm reading file and path header equals to true. Basically first row should be header. Okay, so let me show you the data frame first. Okay, so this is the data frame and this is the column cell in which I will use the condition. Okay. Now, before putting condition, I need to import one library, Pyspark. Let me use that library sql.functions import. Right. So this is the library which we are going to use as a part of this well condition. Okay. Okay. Now I'm taking another RDD. And to add column, you all are know we use big column function. Hit control space. Okay. Now I'm giving grade as in column name, and I have condition when. So we use when here. Okay. And after that I'm using bracket. So my condition here is when df dot cell less than 1,000, then salary should be low. Okay. After that, to put another condition, I need to use dot and again same dot when. And here I need to change the condition. If cell greater than 1,000, then I. Okay. And let's say if both condition does not meet, so I can use another condition else. So in SQL we call it as a else. Here we call it as a otherwise cell is not. Okay. So what I did, I have basically I imported my data frame in DF, and after that I'm adding column grade, and I'm assigning this value into the another data frame DF1 using after using case ban condition. Okay, so let me run this as well DF1 dot show. Okay, so see, you can clearly see I have salary 800 which is less than 1,000, so that's why I'm seeing low grade here. And if it is more than 1,000, so you can clearly see high, 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 and again less than 1,000. Okay, so this is how we use case when condition here. Okay, suppose now let's say I need to use multiple conditions. So meaning, let's say I want to say like if salary greater than 1000 and then less than 2000, then the grade would be medium. So how will I do? Let me show you. So for and we will use simple one ampersand, not double ampersand, even not this end. We will use simple one ampersand, and I can say here df.shell greater than 1000, then and df.shell less than equals to, let's say, 2500. So if this is the condition, then medium, otherwise high. Okay, but if I try to run this, this will not run. This will get fail. Let me show you. So see why this got fail, because I need to enclose these both condition in the square in the parenthesis. So why it got failed? Because I haven't enclosed these two conditions in parenthesis. That's the reason it got failed. Now if I run this, it should run properly. So see, it's there. Make sure I intentionally failed this, so you guys do not forget to add these parentheses. Now we can check the result whether it's matching or not. So less than 1000 low, fine. Now you can see here, if it is between 1000 to 2500, then it should be medium. Yeah, that's fine. And medium. If it is more than 2500, then it should be high. So see, it is 2850297. It's it is showing high. Okay. So this is how we use case when, or we can call it switch condition in Pyspark. Okay. So I hope this video is clear for all of you. If you like this video, then please subscribe the channel. Thank you everyone.